Padayon nga gidbuhat ang ikaduha kadlaw nga National Tiyog Summit 2025 haliti Academic Center Hanpalo Leyte. Kaupod pagihapon ang mga representante han Tiyog Centers nagtikang pa ang magkadurodilain nga partihan nasod. Gintambungan naman ni House Speaker nga Leyte 1st District Representative Martin Humales ang nasabi nga summit. Kaupod ang pira nga mga opisyal han gobyerno. May kongresista, gobernador, mayores ngan iba pa.
The National Summit today. It is very heartwarming to see all of you here in Palo, because this is all where it started in our district, and our dreams were quite humble, to say the least. We thought that we would be bold, but compared to what we achieved, modest and humble, because what we have today is beyond our dreams, beyond our imaginations. My house over 10 years ago, and we had a dream about making it into a regional party to serve Eastern Visayas. My oh my, we've not only realized the dream, but now we are serving the entire country with over 200 Tiyog centers throughout. Thank you, thank you. Damo mas salamat talaga. Patayin ang laban, patayin ang misyon, mabuhay ang Tiyog Party List. Mabuhay ang tunay na boses ng bayan. Mabuhay ang sakayan ng Pilipinas.
Pinihilay dibi parahan anaton sumat.